Let's take a good look at this Blackout cling film that I bought for my windows. I wanted something that would shut out the light completely, and I didn't want to use any adhesives. That's why I chose this. It's nice and thick, textured on one side, and there's a backing film that peels off. I checked the width to make sure it was the right size, and yes, it's true to the advertised size. With a simple razor blade, I was able to cut it to the size I needed. I cleaned up the window to eliminate residue and dust, and then sprayed it with a bunch of water. Now it was time to peel off that backing and stick it to the window. Again, no adhesives necessary. I took a homemade squeegee, squeezed out all the water from behind it, and in just a couple of minutes, I had my window nicely blacked out. The process was simple, and the instructions do detail how you can get a closer fit to the edge by using a ruler to align your cuts or something like that. I didn't feel the need to cut it super close. I thought this was pretty decent as it was. After smoothing it down, it stays put nicely, and it does a fantastic job of blocking out all the light. I can't say what it'll look like in a year, but I can say right now I'm very satisfied. I also feel like the value was great. I got a good amount of it for my money, so this has earned my recommendation.